Hi, my name is Roland Leggat and I'm a technical strategist at Insight Australia. Today I want to talk to you about some of the updates that have been released in February 25 with regards Microsoft Excel's Copilot functionality. You know, when we're looking at Copilot in Excel, I'm really looking at a AI-powered data analyst and visualization tool that is really here to help me make sense of my data. All of my data's got secrets, and when I look at ETL or extract, transform, and load, I just got to figure out what questions to ask my data to expose those secrets, and that can be a bit tricky. But having Copilot is like having a data analyst in your pocket that you can have a conversation with using NLP or natural language processing. Copilot can analyze your data and provide insights, helping you make better data-driven decisions. The other feature I like is improving my skills. Smart formulas make suggestions and do error checking with my formulas. So I may create a formula and then I'll put it into Copilot and say, what's wrong with the formula? I'm not getting the results I anticipated. So Copilot can suggest formulas based on the context of your data, helping you perform calculations more efficiently. It can also identify and correct errors in formulas, ensuring your data and your results are accurate. Now, when Copilot started out in Excel, I used to have to put everything in a table. I don't have to put it in a table now. It can be free-flowing data. There's also some data cleanup functionality, because sometimes spreadsheets, may not be 100% correct, and Copilot can help clean up incorrect data within our spreadsheets. So, if you're thinking about this, I also want you to start thinking about where it's going from an agent perspective and some of the advanced data modeling and forecasting that it is capable of. It can create much more complex data models and provide forecasting that helps you understand the impact of different variables in your data. There's also expanded text analysis tools. This feature helps you analyze and interpret text data much more efficiently. So let's go and have a look at how some of those features perform in Excel. We are combining Copilot and Excel with the power of Python, one of the world's most popular programming languages for working with data. You're working on your company's annual revenue forecast planning for the next fiscal year. Normally, you could spend hours running a manual analysis of the numbers. Now, Copilot can run Python in Excel, making your job a whole lot easier in just a couple of clicks. Copilot does an advanced analysis reasoning over 3 years of historical sales data like an analyst would. Copilot opens up a new workspace where you can experiment to get the insights you're looking for, or without altering your original data. It shows a preview of what it's reasoning over, creates a plan to analyze it in a way that's immediately useful, and executes it with Python, giving you a quick picture of your numbers. Now you're ready to iterate on Copilot's work. Let's ask it to forecast your annual revenue for the next 2 years. Copilot repeats the pattern, creating a plan for how it will tackle the task, running Python in Excel to execute its analysis, giving you a fast and detailed analysis, and prompting you to iterate and ask questions about its work. If you want to make any of the edits to the Python code itself, you can do so directly in the workbook. This is the power of bringing Python directly into the Excel grid. Let's take it a step further. You want to understand how best to meet your revenue goals, which customers have the highest potential upside. So you go back to your original customer data and ask Copilot to use advanced analysis to rank customers based on upsell opportunity. As Python in Excel gets to work, it jumps back to your analysis workspace. It prioritizes the most helpful metrics and provides a preview of the data it will use. It ranks them, and within moments, you have a prioritized table. You want to see a visualization of the customer ranking and understand the weighting methodology Copilot used. Copilot quickly creates a chart and gives you a detailed breakdown of how it arrived at the answer within minutes. You've worked with Copilot to create a full analysis of your data, all without writing a single line of code. Now you're ready to send the analysis to your sales team and collaborate on it together. Okay, so these updates make working with data in Excel more powerful and more efficient. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more updates in Excel and Copilot.